Hello, welcome, and today I'm going to teach you how to fold a plane I call Eleneth, which it's easy to fold and flies pretty far too. So let's fold it. Okay, so first fold from the right edge to the left edge. You can open that up and fold this edge to the center. Do that on the other side. Now you can fold the whole top section down, not right along this edge, but so it lands about a half an inch above this bottom edge. Okay, now you're going to actually open that up, flip the paper over. I like to rotate it while doing this. Do whatever is easier for you. And fold this edge to the center, but only crease to the crease you just made on the last step. And open that up. And you should have a crease going from right here at the very nose of the plane to this crease. Now you can do that on the other side. Open that up, flip the paper back over, fold this top section down right along that crease. Now you're going to fold in on this crease you just made on the last step. And then you can see it's clearly not lying flat, and you can kind of squash this kind of to get it so the new edge you make lands right on this top edge. Right there. And then just crease it nice and sharp like this. Now do that on the other side. Now fold this edge to the center. Do that on the other side. And then fold this bottom kind of flappier up right as far as it goes. Now you can fold the paper in half away from you. And fold this top edge to the bottom edge. And flip it over and fold this other side so it matches the first side. And open those up and you are finished. So I hope you could fold this plane and I hope it flies as far as possible for you. Like and subscribe.